But that means there is absolutely no guarantee of the money that you are putting in. It can just vanish one day.
So same applies on Bitcoin also. If I purchase a Bitcoin today, if it's costing me 3.5 lakhs, if the value comes to zero tomorrow, it's very simple.
I'm bothered about money trade coin because that's
of
that's
course, cryptocurrency. So if it's very simple, cryptocurrency. See, let me be very clear. This money trade coin also is a cryptocurrency. It's a kind of cryptocurrency which is adhering only AML and KYC norms.
Just one final thing. Are you in any way associated with the finance ministry as your Facebook profile suggests? And if yes, how and what authorization you have?
No, actually, I'm just a member of the in finance ministry. I'm just a member of the advisory board. That's it. And recently, I was recruited. But any which ways, I have not yet joined a single meeting over there. And that's it. Yeah.
Can you explain which advisory board? Because as far as I understand, there are several of them. Which advisory board in the finance ministry?
No, I've just got a recruitment. I have told you I have not yet been over there. I have not been over there.
What I'm asking is which advisory board of the finance ministry?
No, I didn't get you. Come again?
You are saying an advisory board of the finance ministry. It doesn't have any. I'm asking which advisory board of the finance ministry are you member of?
I can help you out with one guy, Mr. Vinay Chaudhary. He took my biodata, my details, and he took me to the finance ministry department. And from there, I gave my data and everything. And it was basically a public service. It was just for a public service told to me.
No, I understand. But if you are a member of a finance ministry, it's a very high profile.
You
must know which advisory board you are talking about.
I didn't got time after that to go over there and check out.
But won't you know which advisory board?
No, I haven't checked. It's as simple. I have been told to come over there and take the letterheads also. I have not been over there to take the letterheads also.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Have any other questions? Yes?
By knowingly you said it's a gray area. So why do you want to go to India, this type of environment where volatility or suo moto, you know that there is a ambiguity in this trade or this type of business. So still why you want a venture or put Indians into a task?
Okay, that's a very good question. Now tell me one thing, sir. Today, if you talk about the cryptocurrency, are you aware how much people have invested in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, of Bitcoin? So let's only speak on Bitcoin. Are you aware of that?
It's in billions.
Perfect. So I am not putting actually people on task. I am actually trying to get a system or a service with actually who's going to cater with the AML and the KYC norms.
Yeah, that's only for a identification purpose. Beyond that, the motto of the activity is like a type of a gambling, you can say. Is it?
Of course, sir. It is a type of gambling. Of course, so it goes.
As in India, many people came and went. They made a lot of carrot to the people, and they came and they vanished. So again, what is the assurance then how people can trust or people can make money?
That is the reason we have appealed to the government that kindly legalize this platform, and once the legalization happens, we can have the escrow accounts in the bank. Perfect.
That is true, but how far as you, as someone else has said that you are in the finance ministry, is it what is going to help you out?
So let me tell you one thing. This is nothing related to the finance ministry. What I am doing with, I was just offered a public service portfolio, and I was told that you have to get your biodata. I got my biodata over there. I gave my biodata. My things were given, and that's it. Like I got my visiting card, but I have not been over there to take my letterheads also. So this is a big thing. I have not been over there to take my letterheads also. So if you talk about, let's keep a finance ministry part aside. Now let me tell you one thing. Don't you think that trying to make this gray area legalized is a good initiative?
That's a good initiative.
See, always try to see the positive side of the coin also. People always try to speak on the negative note only. Tell me one thing. Okay, this is a question from my side to the press now. If this cryptocurrency concept gets legalized, do you think how much income can government earn? We have to we on one side we are talking that the GDP of the Indian economy is going down. Here's a good chance to get it up. Now you tell me, this is a simple question. In 2009, if a person would have invested 10,000 rupees in a Bitcoin, today his value would have been 157 crores. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the Google statistics what we have. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the Google statistics. And you cannot deny a fact. So why? My question is big. Why? Why Indian government is not allowing a person to have a clean and clear investment going into the global market? Let government have the laws on it. Let government have the watch on it.
That's what we have to wait and watch.
Perfect. And let me add one more thing to you.
Government very happy for this UAE government, Bahrain government, very happy for this new business who make a meet and support them.
No, thank you, Amiji, for that. In fact, I hope Government of India also understands this. Now, let me tell you one more thing. Now, if suppose today Government of India says, boss, do not start any operations in India, I'm okay with it. I have my company which is running in Estonia, I have my company which is running in Dubai, I have company which will be running in Bahrain. And let me tell you one thing, people actually trade on what exchanges? Nova, C6, CoinX, these kind of exchanges over there. If you talk about livecoin.com, .net, sorry, Livecoin is a exchange, virtual exchange where our currency is available. People will root from there. I can assure you one thing, people will not purchase today at $3, but I can assure you one thing, in next 1 year, when people will see this currency booming up in market, they will try to put money through this way. I want Indian government to take an initiative to legalize this thing and let the Indian currency flow in Indian market only now. Why we want? See, if you talk about the CoinX, C6, these kind of exchanges, actually what it is not based in India. These exchanges are based outside India. Now, if you talk about my platform also, this is based in Estonia. Why would I want the Indian currency to flow out? This is my concern over here. Like, see, being an Indian is very simple. जो बोलते हैं ना एक छोटी सी चीज़ है. बचपन में जब हम बेसिकली छोटे हुआ करते थे, तो हमको कुछ चीज़ चाहिए होती तो हम क्या करते थे? माँ बाप को जाके गुजारिश करते थे, जिद करते थे. तो इंडिया में मेरी माँ है, मैं बैठ के इसके लिए जिद कर रहा हूँ, मुझे चाहिए ये चीज़ करने दो, बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग. मैंने आज कैसा है सर, मैंने क्रिप्टो करेंसी के दोनों साइड देखे हैं. आज की डेट में अगर आप बात करेंगे तो अगर यहाँ पर इसको लीगलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है तो लोग अपना पैसा बाहर के एक्सचेंजेस में डाल देते हैं. आज बिटकॉइन तो हम लीगली खरीद लेते हैं यहाँ पर बैंकिंग सिस्टम से, उसके बाद में दूसरे जगह पे ट्रेड हो जाता है. उसकी करेंसी का जो ब्रोकरेज होता है वो भी हमारे कंट्री को उसका कुछ हिस्सा नहीं मिलता है. क्यों? सो इट्स हाई टाइम. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दी, एंड आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, ये मैं आपको जो बोल रहा हूँ, दिस इज अ फैक्ट एंड फिगर. ये जो हमने आज आपको बाकायदा हमारे जो इनकॉर्पोरेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स दिखाए हैं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आई विल बी दी proudest Indian if I have a certificate with Ashoka's thumb on it. Yes, we are a cryptocurrency exchange over here. I'll be very proud. And definitely, yes, a day will come when Indian government has to legalize this.
Thank you. Last question for the afternoon.
Questions, please? India blessing country and very big market.
Thank you.
Yes,
Over to you,
ma'am.
Lara. Questions? That's great. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that winds up this wonderful afternoon that we've had here today. As a nation, I know, Mr. Lakhanpal, that we're always cautionary as a nation on how we invest our money. But I think with all that we've heard and seen here today, it gives us a wonderful, look into the future and the confidence to be able to transact money or cryptocurrency without the hassle, as well as make money looking at the premium that it's listed at. And I look forward to being able to do that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this event has been brought to you by Whitespine Entertainment and the Falcon Group. Thank you very, very much for being here with us this afternoon. And may we please request you to stay back and partake of the sumptuous lunch that we have prepared for you. Thank you so much. Good